But now, so I mean, you kind of have like a falling movement. So you know, it would just be an assist suit. But the suit can also go into kind of an autonomous mode. So essentially, like walking. You know, you're not really telling move my leg up like this. It's kind of pre-programmed in a sense like that.
Yeah.
So it's
because it's so automatic to us. We don't even think about it. We don't say, okay, brain, lift the leg and move it forward 6 inches.
Yeah.
It's just our brain does that for us.
Right.
Some better than others, but
yeah, really adapting this to
this is going to be that same process.
Yeah, I
through
mean,
the brain.
it's merging man and machine, and that's difficult, but we're in that age. So.
And how long have you been doing this?
I started 3 years ago, but before 3 years ago I didn't know anything about electronics, anything about programming, nothing. And so a lot of that 3 years is really learning. Everything I know is I'm self-taught, so I taught myself programming everything that goes into all this. And yeah, I taught myself how to use these printers, how to design in 3D, everything that goes into it. So I think that's what really helped me too, is that I didn't have a teacher there telling me this is how you do this, this is how this works. I knew the basic functions I had, I knew the basic movement I had to have, and so I kind of had to put my own ways to do everything, and that's the big thing going into prosthetics, is that I didn't conventionally when you go into kind of a project like that, kind of like a research project like that you would research everything that's been done for prosthetics, all the current limbs. I did not do that at all. I did not even look at any kind of conventional prosthetic. I wanted to start from scratch. I didn't want any kind of external influence. I think that's what really helped me get to the point. I didn't follow what they were doing. I had to come up with my own way to do things.
Wow.
And that's what university will do to you.
Yeah, university and government. Anyway, this is fascinating. Absolutely fascinating. Okay, before I turn the camera off, I'd like you to hold this up a little bit just to make sure I got a good shot of your next generation arm. Wow. Has somebody tried to use that? Okay, so that's the whole thing, huh? Wow.
Yeah, well, there's a shorter part, but yeah, that's
okay.
The gist of it.
Wow, all through the brainwaves, just
Yep.
Bluetooth. I can't even hook up the Bluetooth in my car to the phone. Wow, you are an amazing person. I've got to tell you.
Thank you.
Just amazing that you could, like you said, just figure all of this out by yourself with no real help or guidance or anything.
Yeah, I mean
But just the idea that you wanted to is the amazing part too. Thank you so much for being with us today and for coming to Mesquite.
Oh, no, well, thank you. Thank you for coming out. Yeah, I mean, it's been a pleasure. Yeah, thank you.
And we'll see you out at the Paralong Drive.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm excited for it. So.
Good. All right. Well, thanks so much, Easton.
Thank you.
And good luck.
Yeah. Thank you.